Hello and welcome to this video on how to use hashtags and mentions in your TLA Engage discussion posts. There are a couple of features and discussions that you might find helpful. The first is the ability to mention or tag someone in your messages. You can do this by typing the @ symbol and then begin typing their name. A list of names will pop up as you type. Select the correct one and continue on with your message. The person you @mention will receive a notification that you've mentioned them. The second feature is the use of hashtags. Like with social media, you can create hashtags to classify your posts. You can search for hashtags within the platform as well. Use hashtags to classify a thread by topic or interest. For example, hashtag school library advocacy, hashtag library instruction. When adding a hashtag, start with the hashtag symbol and begin typing your hashtag. If a hashtag has already been used, it will pop up as you type. If you are the first one to create a given hashtag, after you type it, select it from the pop-up box. If you did it correctly, the hashtag will display as a link. If not, it will just display as regular text. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you.